Let me show you how to design a poster in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start by creating a new file, size 29.7 by 42 centimeters. Choose the Type tool and let's write our first word. This is the font that I'm using. Follow these settings. Choose the Move tool. Hold Alt and drag down to make a copy. Choose the Type tool, and let's write our second word. Press Ctrl T and let's scale it while holding the Shift button. Let's do the same thing for the third word. Press Ctrl T and let's scale it while holding the Shift button. Now drag your image to Photoshop. You can find these images in the description below. Change the blending mode to screen. We want to keep this plastic texture only inside the text. To do that, we will have to create a selection of the text. Let me show you how. Hold Ctrl and click on the text layer right here. Now hold Shift and Ctrl and click here to add this second selection of the second text. Again, hold Shift and Ctrl and click on this layer right here to create a third selection. Now that we have selected all the text, we can add a mask for this plastic texture layer so that it will be only shown inside the text. Choose the Type tool and write your text right here. I already have wrote these texts. I will show you their size and fonts that I have used. This one is Montserrat semi-bold, and this text is Montserrat regular font. And the last one is Montserrat extra bold. Now choose the Rectangle tool, and let's add a rectangle under the text. Follow these steps. Choose the black color, and no stroke color. Follow this process. Let's drag this layer under the text. Change this text layer to white. Choose the rectangle layer. Hold Alt and drag down to make a copy. Change this text to white color. Press Ctrl T and scale it accordingly. I am going to select these layers while holding the Shift button and group them. Try Adobe Photoshop. Check the link in my bio. Now drag the football player to Photoshop. You can download these images from the link in the description below. This image has a white background. To hide this white color, change the blending mode to multiply. Now as you can see, we have hidden the white background color. Drag the stones image to Photoshop. You can download these images from the link in the description below. Change the blending mode to multiply. Let's put it right here on the right side like this. Add a layer mask. Choose the brush tool. Choose the soft round brush. Set the opacity to 100 and reduce the flow. Set the foreground color to black. I am hiding some stones that overlap with this man. Now let's duplicate this layer. Follow this process. Drag the fire image to Photoshop. To hide the black color of this image, just change the blending mode to screen. Now we want the fire to be only seen inside this big text. So hold Ctrl and click here to make a selection. Now that we have this text selection, add a layer mask to the fire layer.
That's it. Hope you liked it.
You can get all my Photoshop and Illustrator files on my Patreon page for a small subscription fee. Join now. Link in the description. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel.